Shadow AI in the workplace might seem like a security threat, but what's happening beneath the surface tells us something far more interesting about how modern organizations actually function.
That's quite a statement. What made you think about this?
Well, let me share a story about Anna, a marketing professional who found herself caught between efficiency and security. She needed to create weekly campaign reports, and the official process through their business intelligence team took 3 full days.
Hmm, that seems like quite a bottleneck for something needed weekly.
Exactly. And here's where it gets interesting. Anna discovered she could paste the data into ChatGPT and get a polished report in just 15 minutes. Now, her supervisor was thrilled with the speed, while the IT security team was probably having nightmares about company data being uploaded to public AI tools.
So, what's the real story here? Is this about breaking rules or something deeper?
The research shows something fascinating. People aren't using these tools out of rebellion or laziness. They're responding to what experts call delivery pressure, where expectations are growing faster than official processes can handle.
That makes me think about all the unofficial workarounds people develop just to get their jobs done.
And here's the key insight. Experts suggest we should view these unofficial solutions like desire paths in a park. You know, those dirt trails that form when people keep taking shortcuts across the grass.
Oh, that's an interesting analogy. So instead of putting up fences, we should be learning from where people actually need to go.
Precisely. The research identifies 4 main patterns where these organizational desire paths typically form. First, there are informal services, things that were always done but never officially recognized, like having that one colleague who was great at fixing presentations.
What are the other patterns? This is fascinating.
Second is missing mandates, unclear responsibilities. Third is handover losses, like when marketing creates something but the handover to sales isn't well defined. And fourth, which is crucial, is the gap between responsibility and authority.
That last one really hits home, being responsible for deliverables without having the proper tools to produce them.
And here's where it gets really interesting. AI doesn't solve problems, it amplifies what's already there. In organizations with clear processes, AI enhances efficiency. But in organizations with underlying chaos,
Let me guess, it just makes the chaos more visible and potentially worse.
exactly right. So when leaders discover shadow AI use, instead of reaching for the rule book, they should be asking, what problem are you trying to solve that we haven't provided an official solution for?
That's quite a shift from viewing it as a security threat to seeing it as organizational feedback.
Well, think of it this way. These unofficial AI uses are like X-rays, revealing structural issues that might otherwise remain hidden. They're showing us where our organizations need to evolve.
How should leaders practically approach this when they discover unauthorized AI use?
The research suggests creating what they call productive guardrails, frameworks that protect the organization while still enabling innovation. It's about redesigning systems to support both security and efficiency.
So it's really about organizational transformation rather than just AI management?
Exactly. And here's the takeaway. When we see employees turning to unauthorized AI tools, we should view it as valuable market research about our internal processes. These are essentially free insights into where our organization needs to evolve.
That's fascinating. Yeah, what many see as a problem could actually be a powerful tool for improvement.
And it all comes back to that fundamental question. What work is happening here that someone's responsible for, but doesn't have the proper tools and authority to accomplish? That's the real issue shadow AI is helping us uncover. If you want to use that signal deliberately, not to control it, but to build capability, we now offer in-house certifications for teams of 6 or more to become change and service architects. Bye now, this was Connie and Tom from Ali LA.